me again, your favorite everyday chef, Chef Sonny. And today I got something for you do-gooders. All you health freaks. I'm a little bit of a health freak, not all the time. Today I got some blackened chicken, accompanied by a forbidden rice salad. It's gonna be something real good for you. Low in fat, low in carbs, high in fiber, and a good protein source. So let's get into it. We're gonna season them chicken. We actually already have the rice on.
Smells like oatmeal, huh?
And we're just gonna let that cool and set to room temperature before we put everything else in it. Because you don't want the heat from the rice to wither away all your greens that you're gonna put into the salad. So we're gonna let that cool off for a second. Got my homemade blackened seasoning here. Just wanna take a pinch, maybe about eyeballing it, about a tablespoon. Sprinkle it over all of it. I like to put it over dry breast because I'm gonna coat my pan with the olive oil. About 3 tablespoons there. Boom. Rub it in. Got our cast iron nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and add our seasoned chicken to the cast iron skillet. One at a time. Listen to that. You see how they talk back to you? If the meat don't talk back to you when you put them in the skillet, you didn't do something right. It should let you know that it's hot. You wanna have enough space. Try to have enough space where it's not touching, but make it cook pretty much well. Pepper, black pepper. Fresh ground black pepper. Check, nice dark color there.